Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about some of the major advancements and experiences companies are building on top of GPT-3 model like MetaGPT, BabyAGI, AgentGPT and AutoGPT. What is MetaGPT and will it replace all engineers, QA testers, architects and managers? Let's find out in this video. MetaGPT is a multi-agent framework that takes one-line requirements as input and outputs user stories, comparative analysis, requirements, data structures, APIs, documents and more. It is still under development, but it has potential to revolutionize the software development process. MetaGPT is similar to other tools such as BabyAGI, AgentGPT and AutoGPT. These tools are based on large language models LLMs and are designed to automate tasks in the software development process. But BabyAGI, AgentGPT and AutoGPT provide support as single agents, whereas MetaGPT has tendency to work as multiple agents, which can do a lot of tasks at the same time. For example, have a look on this example. When MetaGPT is asked to create 2048 game, how it creates complete pathway for product. Amazing, isn't it? Let's discuss some of the benefits of MetaGPT. MetaGPT can automate many of the tasks involved in software development, freeing up developers to focus on more creative and strategic work. MetaGPT can help to ensure that software products are well designed and well documented. It can help to reduce the cost of software development by automating tasks and improving efficiency. It is unlikely that MetaGPT will replace all engineers, QA testers, architects and managers. However, it has the potential to automate some of the tasks that these roles perform. This could free up these professionals to focus on more creative and strategic work. So don't worry, no human will lose their job just because of AI. Only the stupid jobs will be lost. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Thanks and bye.